The LucidLink Connect API can be used in a wide variety of ways. In this video, we will demonstrate how it can be used to instantly restore Media Composer projects that have been parked using Marquis Project Parking. When a project is finished, we use Marquis Project Parking to archive it safely to S3. It's the A standard for preserving Avid projects with their native folder structures and media intact. This archival process sends the project directly to S3. Here we can see the project appearing in the bucket as it's archived. But what happens when that project needs to come back to life? Normally, you'd face a massive restore. Hours of waiting for terabytes of data to be restored, taking up space on expensive online storage, and restricting who can work on the project based on access to that storage. LucidLink Connect eliminates the need to perform a restore. This sample application connects the project assets by API without moving them from the S3 bucket. Watch the File Explorer on the left. In seconds, that S3 archive is mounted as a local drive. Let's connect the project files too. Because Project Parking kept the Avid structure perfectly intact in the cloud, you can open the project directly from the LucidLink file space. Avid sees everything. No relinking, no media offline. It's just there. No data was copied or moved. LucidLink Connect presents the cloud archive as a high-performance local disk. The LucidLink API can be used to connect and disconnect external assets, create or modify user group permissions, and many other capabilities too. Check out our resources for more information.